Hey guys, actually I'm doing this video a little bit earlier. I don't turn 22 weeks until tomorrow. 23 weeks until tomorrow after my doctor's appointment. I was going to make a video updating you guys about everything and how all that went, but I got my fetal doppler in the mail and I was just excited. So I guess I wanted to make like a little video about that, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so this is a fetal doppler I got in the mail. I got it from eBay, paid about $35, free shipping. It came rather quickly. I just got it last week. Let's see what this says. April 4th. So 4 days ago I ordered it and today I got it. That's cool. See inside. Here is the fetal doppler. There had cheaper ones on there for like $22, $25, but it was like the angel baby or something, but it didn't look like it told you, it didn't look like it had a screen that told you the actual heart rate, like you can just hear it, and I'm just a freak, so I want to know. I mean, I used it. It comes with this jack, which you can plug into like your computer or your TV, and you can actually record the heartbeat, listen to it on TV. It also comes with gel, and then it comes with white headphones, but I'm using my black headphones, and I let my boyfriend use the white headphones that it came with it, because on it, as you can see, there are 2 spots for a jack, so you and your partner can listen. But yeah, it's pretty simple and tiny. You have the 2 jacks on one side, you have the on and off and volume control on this side, and this side is where you put the gel. But yeah, I used it and it worked pretty great. I literally just got it like 20 minutes ago. So far the things I don't like about it, which I knew this when I got it, but I didn't really care. It's not, I don't know. Anyway, so when you have it down on your stomach, obviously you're laying down and you're doing the heartbeat, and I don't know how they expect you to read the heart rate if you have to have it down on your stomach, if that makes sense. Like, I haven't tried it where, because my boyfriend was right there, so I said, well, what does the heart rate say? Because it's down on my stomach, and he told me he was reading the heart rates off of me. So what if he's not here? Like, am I able to lift it off? Oh, well, I think I just got my answer. I was going to say, am I able to lift it off and the heart rate is still going to be there? And there, it says 135. I just turn it on and, oh wait, but it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. So, I don't know. I don't know if you can just lift it up and the heart rate stays there, because I just turn it off after I used it the first time. But we'll see. But so far, I don't like that. I don't know if I just have to be like maybe sitting up a little bit, like inclined to, so I can see it. I don't know. We'll see. What else? Okay, also, the fetal doppler, you won't be able to hear the heart rate unless you have the phone jacks in. I know there's some fetal dopplers out there. You can have the headphones in, or you can have the headphones out. It's still going to have like a little speaker, but this one doesn't. You have to have the headphones in. But I found my baby's heartbeat in like 6 seconds. It really was not that hard. But yeah, so far so good. Tomorrow is my appointment. I'm just going to be so nervous before every appointment, because I just don't want to end up back in the hospital. I don't want them to be like, oh, your cervix is opening again, so it looks like you got to stay in the hospital. Like, because I know if I end up back in the hospital, I'll have to stay till 28 weeks. There's no, oh, can I go home next week? No, I'll be staying. So I just have to pray before every appointment that everything looks okay, because even though I can't do anything being at home, it still feels good being in just the comforts of your own home. I have more options to watch on what to watch on TV. Like, I have my shows recorded. I don't know. I have my own food. I mean, the hospital food actually was pretty good, and it was nice having room service and having them come up and getting my free meals. But I don't know. I just didn't need people coming in my room every 5 seconds asking me if I was okay, if I needed anything. Like, I don't know. I just need my privacy. But yeah, and I've just been spending my time. I play a lot of games on my phone. I was actually looking up things, some bed rest exercises. So tomorrow when I go to my doctor, I'm going to ask her if I can do some bed rest exercises, which are, you're laying down, you can do arm stuff, and we'll see what he says. But yeah, I've been reading a lot of my book, What to Expect When You're Expecting. There's a lot of stuff in there that I have questions. Like, it has bed rest in there. It has it has a whole bunch of stuff. Oh my god. But yesterday I started getting heartburn for the first time ever. And it was weird because I was laying in bed and I was like, what is this? I'm like, is this a contraction? I'm like, this can't be what a contraction feels like. This is not what a contraction feels like. So I don't know what they feel like either, but I've heard they felt like really bad menstrual cramps. And this was like a more burning feeling, like top of my stomach, and it was just horrible. But I was like, oh my god, I can't. But I didn't know what to do. Everything I ate is just making my chest burn. Like, am I just not supposed to eat? But I'm going to send my boyfriend or maybe my mom to go get me some Tums. I think I might have acid reflux too. I don't know. But this all just new, just yesterday. And I'm thinking, since I'm on bed rest for so long, maybe that's the reason as well. I'm laying flat most of the time. But, yep, so tomorrow I'll be done with my appointments around 4. And I will make another video for my appointment, I guess. I mean, nothing new has really been going on besides that heartburn, which I'll mention that tomorrow. My heartburn, and looks like I've been breaking out some more up here. Cool, great. Haven't really been constipated, really. Headaches, I have had a few headaches, especially being on bed rest. And when I get up to go do something, my head will start hurting for a little bit. But yeah, I'm excited about my fetal doppler. I know I'm gonna do my boyfriend's like, okay, if you can't find the heartbeat one time, don't go crazy and stress yourself out. I'm like, oh, I won't. I will. I'm pretty sure I will. But yeah, okay guys, see y'all later. Thanks, bye.